Scientists have revealed that the massive asteroid responsible for the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago was not a singular event, but part of a series of cosmic collisions. Detailed scans of an underwater crater off the coast of Guinea in West Africa suggest that another large asteroid impacted Earth around the same time, near the end of the Cretaceous period. This second impact resulted in a crater over 5 miles wide, caused by an asteroid estimated to be about a quarter of a mile in diameter and traveling at nearly 45,000 miles per hour. The study, led by Dr. Eustine Nicholson, a marine geologist at Heriot-Watt University, highlights the catastrophic nature of this event. Using advanced 3D seismic imaging, researchers mapped the crater's rim and geological scars that lie 300 meters beneath the ocean floor. The imaging revealed that the collision triggered intense tremors that liquefied sediments below the seabed, causing faults to form. Additionally, the impact led to massive landslides with damage extending thousands of square miles beyond the crater and unleashed a colossal tsunami over 800 meters high, capable of traveling across the Atlantic. Although the precise timing of this asteroid's impact is still uncertain, the findings suggest it could belong to a cluster of impacts that occurred at the end of the Cretaceous. The asteroid linked to the dinosaurs' extinction was significantly larger, leaving a crater 100 miles wide in what is now the Chicxulub region of Mexico. This indicates that Earth was subjected to multiple cosmic threats during this turbulent period in its history. Nicholson noted that the detailed data gathered from the Nadir crater offers a unique opportunity to test existing hypotheses about impact craters and develop new models for crater formation in marine environments. Understanding the consequences of such catastrophic events is crucial, especially when considering parallels to more recent impacts, such as the 1908 Tunguska event, when a smaller asteroid exploded over Siberia. The research provides valuable insights into Earth's impact history and the potential risks posed by near-Earth objects. If you found this video interesting, we'd love for you to show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.